What kind of trees?
Palm trees.
Oh.
Come here.
How many of them?
10.
Come here.
10 palm
No,
trees?
55.
Whoa.
55. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And what are we gonna? How are we gonna sleep?
Come here.
With coconut nut beds.
Coconut beds?
I forgot beds.
Go.
Beds in the cities. There's beds in the cities.
Beds in the city?
Yeah, the whole city.
Yeah, but camping is out in the country. It's not in the city. Right?
Yes.
Well, maybe we'll put up a tent
Yeah. What?
and sleep in sleeping bags.
No one can sleep in the tent.
Yeah, in the tent.
We got tents in our
If
house.
you want more, you have
Do we?
to sit in your bunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got one over here.
Okay.
Got one in our house. Yeah.
Whoa.
No juice.
Awesome.
Yeah.